guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. Tonight we are going back to the Sarnia VIA station in Sarnia, Ontario. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's get some trains in this video. Here comes the next scene, roll it. Alright, we got CN eastbound train. I didn't get a short, but at least we got the whole thing. Almost missed that fucker. Symbol on this train looks like is CNM 382, I believe. I almost missed him. I had to chase him all the way to the yard just so I don't miss it. The CNM 382 originates from Toledo, Ohio, and it's heading towards the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, I believe. At least I think it's 382, I think. After we catch this train, we're going to head back to the Sarnia VIA station after. And see if we can get any more trains. Look at all those auto frames. They look empty. I'm gonna go outside. I don't care if it's raining or thunder and lightning. I just want to get a good shorts. Anyways. Got there just in time. I got the engines in time before they got away. No, don't worry. I'll know what I didn't even get a short for him, but oh well. Well, by the time we were going, while we were heading onto this road, he was already passing through the yard. So we were trying to chase him. I think this is going to be my new spot. I'm going to stay right here, actually. I love this spot. Holy shit, look at that, lightning. Did you see that? It's pissing down rain now. Alright, that's it. I'm getting in the car. It's pissing really bad outside. I don't know if I'll stay out for another train because of the rain, but you know what? It's pissing even harder. It's pissing rain even harder now. You know what? I'm getting in the car. I'm not getting my phone and gear all wet. It's terrible. Anyways. Looks like this is a CNM 382 that's rolling through into the Sarnia yard. Song number 7 on my list of band songs for this weekend goes to the The Stones, if you remember, are already on the list. They came in at number 14 with their song Brown Sugar. Well, they're back at it again with I Can't Get No Satisfaction. What was wrong with that song? Well, it was banned by some mainstream radio stations because the lyrics were considered too sexually suggestive, particularly the line, trying to make some girl. That's it, just that one line. The song also touched on themes of anti-commercialism and frustration Thank God this train wasn't going the other way. If it was, I'd be even pissed off even more. I'd be blowing a gasket if it was going the other way. Yeah? Because if it was going the other way, there was no way we would outrun him. Because he was going to. If it was going the other way, it would be going to the States. Holy shit! Look at that lightning right there. Look at that. As soon as this train ends, I'm gonna go back to the VIA station and see if we can get any more trains. If not, this will be our only train in this video. What's that light right there? Is there another train coming the other way? I don't know. I can't tell. Oh, I think there is. I need a hustle. Okay, maybe I'm seeing things. I don't know. It's raining. I can't. There's no way I'm getting in outside right now. There's no way I'm gonna get outside. Now we're into the autoracks. It's pouring like freaking crazy right now. I'm gonna have to be in the car for most of the video, unfortunately. You know what, oh wait, I thought there was a DPU, but oh well, I'm seeing things. You know what, hear a roar. I literally hear a roar. Something's happening. I literally hear a roar. Can't tell if it's the storm or I'm hearing another train. I can't tell. There's no freaking way that another train will come this minute. There's no way. Looks like this is the 382 right there. I can tell by its cars they're carrying. I hear a roar, literally. I don't know if I'm hearing shit, I don't know. I almost missed this guy. I got the engines, and just when we were pulling in, I saw the engines, and I got recorded just in the most of it, at least. At least he didn't miss the whole thing, at least. And thank God he was not going the other way. Then it would be a disaster, eh? Yeah, tell me about it. Should be at the end by now. It's one hell of a long train for it to go up the hill. Well, I'm gonna have to go right after the train ends. I'm gonna have to get going now. Or maybe it's the train in general I'm hearing, not at the engines. Maybe I'm hearing stuff, I don't know. I can't tell if we're at the end or not. Still going. It's a big train, I tell you. It's been going for like 10 minutes straight. Look at that old ass Grand Trunk Railway, Grand Trunk Western unit, and boxcar. Look at that, an old-fashioned Grand Trunk Western boxcar. Oh well, at least we got the whole thing, but I didn't get a short for this train. That's too bad. If I went to the VIA station, he would have already passed, so it is what it is. And there's the end of CN M382. I'm going to go to the VIA station right now, and hopefully we'll get some more oh wait, holy shit, there's more. I thought it was over, eh? I thought we're at the end, eh? Huror. I think there's engine switchers. Oh, there is. Just GP38 power. Look at that. An SD40. Look at that. And a slug, too. We're going to the station. Here comes the next scene road. We're going to have to relocate back to the station now since here we go into the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN eastbound train coming down the line. So what do we got for power on this train? We have 2330 in the lead. 2561 trailing second. Symbol on this train looks like this has got to be the, let me think for a sec. Wonder why he's slowing down. I think he's going into the yard. Symbol on this train might be CNA492, I believe. If this train is CNA492, if this one is 492, this train came from the Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana, and it's heading into the Sarnia yard in Sarnia, Ontario. If this is the 492, it could be going into the Sarnia yard, and it's not going to McMillan yard. All on this October the 18th. 2025 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. So this train is going into Sarnia, so that's where it'll terminate. If this is 492, it's going into the Sarnia yard. Yeah, it looks like 492 right there. I can tell. Yep, this looks like 492 right there. Because of the auto frames. I think these auto frames were picked up in Flint, Michigan. I think the rain and storm finally let up a little bit. I think it stopped raining at least. Now I can get out of the surface now. Now I can get out of the coverness. By the way we're looking at it, I think we're going to probably get a jackpot tonight. Because usually in the daytime it's not as busy. That's why I always come here in the daytime and only get one train. That's which stinks. Every time I come here in the daytime, I only get a few trains. That's all I get. What was I about to do? I was in the middle of trying to see what's coming through the Ingersoll log and see if we get any westbounds. And this guy almost snuck up on me, Thank God I got my short ready this time, I gotta wonder if this is for... Oh, there comes the rain again. Holy shit. There it goes. The rain snuck up on me. Anyways, I'm going to see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will be it for this video. As I was saying, I was going to check in the Ingersoll log and see if anything's going westbound. And this guy came out of nowhere. Anyways, here comes the next scene. Roll it. And speaking of though, we have a westbound coming soon. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. If you guys are enjoying this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Hunter Stewart Hobbies if you haven't already. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN westbound train heading towards the tunnel. He's really booking. Time is now 7:45 p.m. I've been railfanning for 45 minutes and this is my third train so far in this video. Can you believe it? Yeah, the evenings are usually busier over here compared to the daytime. Is what it is. Anyways. What do we have for power on this train, We have 29.99 leading. second. Let's watch it knock the signal down. There it goes. Oh, it's raining. the end of that westbound train. Symbol on that train was CNM 301. 301 originates from the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, and is heading towards the Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, as it goes through the States. All on this October 18th, 2025, on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Alright, let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will wrap it up and end it. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe, turn notification bells on, leave comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies signing off. Peace out, everybody.